Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 3.4. Question number 1. Our question is find the common factor of 20 and 28. First we need to find the factors of 20 and 28 and we need to find which is a common one here. Now first we are going to write the factor of 20. So 20 will come in which tables and all that we have to write. All the numbers will come in one table. So 1 is a compulsory factor for all the number. 1 into what number will give you 20? Or we can divide the 20 by 1. So 1 20s are it will be 20 we can say. So 1 into 20, 20. So 1 is a factor means definitely 20 is also a factor. Now 20 will come in 2 table. So 20 will come in 2 table divided by 2. 2 tens are it will be 20. So 2 is a factor, 10 is also a factor. So 2 into tens are 20. And 3 table 20 will not come. 4 table 4 5s are 20. 4 table also 20 will come. 5 tables also 20 will come definitely. So that's all. 4 and 5 we got it. Then it will be going in increasing order. We don't have any other factors for 20. So we'll go for 28 now. So factors for 28. So factors of 28 again. 1 table it will come. 1 table 28 sir. 1 into 28 28. 2 table how many times it will come we need to find out now. So this is a 28. So we are dividing 28 by 2. 1 2s are 2. 1 2s are 2. The next number is 8. And 2 4s are 8, remainder is 0, 14 times. So 28 will come in 2 table, how many times? 14 times. That means in 14 tables also 20 will come, 28 will come we can say. 3 table, not possible because 2 plus 8 is 10, it will not come in 3 table. 4 table, 4 7s are actually 28. 4 7s are 28. Between 4 and 7, we have only 2 numbers 5 and 6. 5 table definitely 28 will not come. 6 table also 28 will not come. So only these 6 are factors of 28. So after writing the factors in this way, we need to write the common factor. So which is a common number in these two we have to write. So the common factors is equal to, so definitely 1 is a common factor for all. So 1 is a common factor for all, for both the factors it is repeated. 2 is also a common factor, it's repeated again. 4 is also the common factor. Again any other numbers are repeated, we have to check, no other numbers are repeated. So my common factors are 1, 2 and 4. So this is the correct answer. 1, 2 and 4 are common factors for 20 and 28. We'll move on to one more problem for better understanding now. Our question is, so here the common factor for 15 and 25 they are asking. First let us write the factors of 15. So here factors of 15 and 25 we need to write first. Let us write factors of 15 we have to write first. So 15 will come in one table definitely. 1 into what number will give you 15? 1 15s are 15. Write the 15 here. Again 2 table 15 will not come. 3 table 3 5s are 15. So between 3 and 5 we have only 4. In 4 tables 15 will not come. So only these 4 factors for 15. So we have to write the first number and last number like this we have to write it. In between any numbers are there na, that number we have to check the divisibility. So 3 and 5 in between we have only one number 4. In 4 table 15 will not come. So that's all your factor. You don't need to worry for the remaining numbers. So we'll go for 25 now. So the question, factors of 25 we need to write. So one table definitely 1 into 25. So 1 into 25, 25. Next 2 table 25 will not come. 3 table 25 is not possible because 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 table it will not come. 4 table also 25 will not come. So definitely in 5 table 5 5s are 25. You no need to write the 5 once again because 5 is the number we have written. No need to repeat the number. So 5 5s are 25. So the factors are over. So 1, 5 and 25 are the factors. Now we need to write the common factor. So here we have the common 1 and here we have the common 5. So that's all your common factors here. So we can write the common factor as your answers. So common factors of 15 and 25 is 1 and 5. So that is your correct answer, children. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.